So welcome back to the channel, everyone. Triple M here. Today is January 17th, and today I'm announcing the winners of Govee Immersion LED backlights. Now, as I mentioned in my initial review, I was sent out 2 extra units for giveaways, so big shout out to Govee again for sponsoring this video. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from streaming news, streamer reviews, product reviews, and unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell, drop your comments and questions in the comment section below. Now, if you haven't checked out my full review of the Govee Immersion RGBIC backlights, go ahead and check that out, guys. This unit is incredible. It does have a camera built in, which essentially monitors your television screen and uses color sense technology to change the colors according to what's being displayed on your TV. Now, this not only makes for a cool effect in the background, but it also makes the television pop out and can also help with eye strain. I should also mention that this also works with Alexa. It also works with your Google Home devices, so you can essentially give commands to the unit and the unit will change the colors, turn on and off, and do different things, which makes it really convenient. In addition to that, the Govee app allows you to do a lot of different things, guys. Set timers, customize your different lighting. You can submit your lighting, see what other people are doing. You can also change this to music mode, which essentially listens to the sound around you, reacts to the music, and there's a couple cool effects within that. So like I said, check out that full review. Went into full details of everything you need to know about this device. Now, like I said, the price on this is $71.99 on Amazon. I will be leaving a link where you can go ahead and check it out. And also, while you're on Amazon, guys, go ahead and check out my Amazon storefront. This is going to have everything related to the channel. Most of these I have reviewed or have purchased and tested in the past, but not only is this going to have the Govee LED light strip, but also has different categories. If you need streaming accessories, if you need networking devices, camera accessories, streaming setup, everything is in there. And if you guys need a special category, let me know. I'll go ahead and create it for you. So in order to be eligible for this giveaway, what you needed to do is 1, make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is checked. 2, head over to my Amazon storefront, follow that page. And 3, drop a comment in the comment section below. Just let me know that you have entered for an opportunity to win. So if you're new to the channel, my giveaways normally are random picking. So I'll go through the comment section, put the comments in the random picker, and that's how winner is chosen. And that makes the whole process fair. So shout out to everyone that actually entered for this giveaway, everyone in the comment section, everyone that's subscribed, every new subscriber. I really appreciate the support. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter at TripleMPC. Let's go ahead and jump into the drawing. So here we are on the random picker website. Let me go ahead and paste in the URL to the review video, and let me go ahead and just get comments. And what it's doing is just going through the comments, guys. I did put the box to filter out duplicate users. That means that if you commented multiple times, does not improve your chance to win. So for this giveaway, we're picking 2 winners. We have 2 extra units. Now, if you're chosen, guys, I need you to shoot me a private message or an email. My email is in the description of this video, but you can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, as well as Twitter. Need your shipping information, that way I can get this unit out to you as soon as possible. Let's go ahead and pick 2 winners, and good luck to everyone. We're just gonna go ahead and hit start. So big shout out to Nanvo. Your reviews are always superb, Triple M. Even if I don't win, the misses like it, might get it either way. So Nan just saved you a trip to Amazon or wherever you're gonna purchase it. Congratulations. When you see this video, need your shipping information. That way I can get this unit over to you. Let's go ahead and pick winner number 2. Winner number 2 is Christopher Martinez. I'm entering the contest because I would love to have the lights. Great review. Congrats to Nan, congrats to Christopher. Whenever you guys see this video, shoot me your shipping information. I will get these units out to you as soon as possible. Anyone else that didn't win, just make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is checked. Just keep following the channel. I do have a lot more giveaways coming up soon, a lot of reviews coming up as well, so make sure you stay tuned. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, as well as Facebook. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.